Group. Group. Ya ring bak mah.
Laitkor Sports Club today roam home with the glittering trophy of the second division football final organised by Shillong Sports Association at Polo Ground in Shillong after defeating Millennium Sports Club by 1-0. In the hard-fought match, Uvasius Mauthor of Laitkor Sports Club scored in the 13th minute of the first half. The second goal was scored by Sondi Felix Kharkongor, 76th minute of the second half of the match. The trophies were given away by the president of Shillong Sports Association, Eugene Sin Lingdor, the tribal chief of Hima Milim, Paem Ainam Manix Aim and others. Laitkor Sports Club was awarded Rs 50,000 and Milim Sports Club was given Rs 25,000. Both these football teams have now entered the first division of the Shillong Sports Association.
Group.